What's up, everybody, man? I hope everybody is doing well. I see some wonderful things coming in the future. And real quickly, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Now, again, I always got Bitcoin up on some screen because that's what I use to trade. And a lot of times I would take Bitcoin and I would just trade other coins and not even be looking at them, and I make my trades based off on Bitcoin. I don't advise you to do that, because at the end of the day, I know in my head where this coin and what pattern this particular coin is following. So I don't really need to see it. All I need to do is have it up on Coinbase Pro and actually activate my sell. But we're gonna take a quick look at a couple different coins, man. And I want to show you why. Like, one of my last videos is like, what are you doing this for? Why are you trading? Are you really looking to actually, like, win in this whole industry, man? Like, do you want to continue to trade and not make any money, or you want to put yourself in the forever profit zone, right? So this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do a little small TA on Bitcoin to let you people know what you can possibly expect, and then we're going to go from there. So this is some possible trends that you can expect from Bitcoin. Now, with this nice little uptrend here, Bitcoin possibly could retest this 45K area. Let's see, we are on a 1-day block, so that it could end up here in this area here easily, right? And the only reason I'm saying that because this is the trend that I'm looking for. So we got now I did do another smaller TA on Bitcoin, and I was recognizing that each one of these new highs and new lows, it retested at the 50% mark, right? And I'm saying 50% of my Fibonacci. So if I pull that up right here, why the fuck is my computer moving so slow? Boom, right there, we got to retest at the 50% range. Right there, we got another retest. Turn around at the 50% range, and let's just say this is where we're going to end at. 50% of this. Boom, and so it's going to be it's going to be somewhere around here in this area. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we are there. 52,000 may be the final jump down to a push back up. Now, again, I stick with my prediction between April 1st and April 15th. We're probably going to see anywhere between $65,000 and $75,000. That's what I'm guessing. And let's see. And with the brush, so look for that turnaround somewhere around here in this area here. So again, if it does break that area there, I'm gonna draw a new support here at around 45K, and that's what you want to look for right there, right? So let's move over to a different coin, and I'm going to look at Cardano. So I'm going to take this up here, and now I'm showing you this Cardano because I want you to realize how much these fucking altcoins are pumping in a couple months. You know what I mean? Like, they are like taking a flight to the moon times 10,000. So for some reason my computer is moving goddamn slow, I think, because my girl is up there on the computer, and I haven't upgraded my speed of my internet yet. So we're gonna look at ADA, which is Cardano. So Cardano has went up 345.39% since January 25th, and I'm not even going to get into a TA on this, but that's what this shit does, man. 345%. These altcoins are gonna fucking see 7, 8, 9, 1,500% turnaround in a year. Other than Bitcoin, it's not gonna really flip that much. We might see 350, 400% in Bitcoin this year, which possibly that can be $120,000, $200,000 range, right? So with Cardano being up 345%, I really want to look at Sushi Swap, because Sushi Swap has been dear to my heart lately, and I have made a lot of money on Sushi Swap recently, especially like a week ago. But right now I'm kind of chilling right now because the market is going the other way. So if you take a look at Sushi Swap, right? And we're gonna look at it this way. I'm gonna draw an extended line on it from, let's see, here to here, and we're gonna do the same thing from, let's go from here to here. Right, so this was, so if you can look at this here, this is actually on the uptrend, right? And what you got to realize is at some point it has to really break out of this, either up or down. And again, if it pushed to the upside, you're gonna look for higher highs, and if it pushed down to the low side here, you're gonna see lower lows. Again, me personally, I know for a fact Sushi Swap has produced at least 500% in the last 2.5 months, and I'm just gonna be on point. Yes, so Sushi Swap has pushed 538% in the last month. So if I pull up my Fibonacci on this, this is something that I really can't run any Elliott waves on. But again, let's look for Sushi Swap to finish correcting at around $13.50, and that's just a rough estimate. And I'm gonna put this little marker. Well, actually, let's not do that. Let's put this rectangle up. Where is my rectangle? I don't ever use a fucking rectangle. What? Is that it? Oh, fuck. I feel really stupid right now. I really never use rectangles. Let's see. Elliott triangle. Oh, we're gonna figure this shit out the fucking day. Date, price range. Fuck. I think I was using that on Trading View. But anyways, yeah. So we're gonna stick to using this. So you can possibly look for a correction on Sushi Swap around this area here. Now again, you're looking at 538% of an increase on Sushi Swap, right? So again, if you're looking at these coins, if you are holding in this, some of the stuff you should be able to recognize, because I guarantee you around this area here, and even on the 1 hour chart, the RSI was like well above 70%. And we're actually gonna put that up right now. Yeah, I can look right here and tell you that the RSI has been tremendously high for long periods of time, and it's now time for a good correction, which again, this here is probably going to touch the 30% range before it really starts to push up, which ultimately is going to leave us around this area here. So I would say anywhere between $10 and $13.34 is where, you know, Sushi Swap is going to be in. And again, it's kind of hard to tell, you know, give or take. But right here, it seemed like the Bulls were really working. I'm not the Bulls, but the Bears was really working to try to pull this shit down. And ultimately, they won. They started pulling it down right here. So again, let's look for that 50% correction around in this area right here. And that's what I'm sticking with. So I'm actually going to load up on some of this shit here probably Friday. I'm going to probably put maybe $2,000 into Sushi Swap. And I think I'm going to long this position here for probably until May. Yeah, definitely probably until May. Or unless I see my opportunity to take profit. But at the end of the day, man, look, whoever's watching my channel, I hope y'all know that I don't give a fuck about none of these other coins. All I care about is trading. I care about taking the maximum amount of profit I can possibly take. And for me personally, Bitcoin just doesn't do that for me. I do want to get in a position to where I am in forever profit. So I want to start dumping majority of my money into Bitcoin, but right now I'm trying to stack my cheese for this year and get prepared for this bear market. So when the bear market does come, I can sit back and trade and probably make, look for that, 3 to 5% profit per day that may take me a while to actually, win that trade. But again, I'm about to call it a night here. Look for Sushi Swap to correct in this area here. And right before I go, let's just say you actually did buy into Sushi Swap right now, right? You're looking at fucking 65% profit for it to retest that all-time high, And then if it does go down here to $10, you lose 20%, or it can go down here to $13 and you lose 6%. So again, to lose 20% for 60%, I'll take that all day. So I mean, at the end of the day, I don't spend too much time actually digging deep into all these coins on a bigger block, but I'm actually learning to do that now. So I don't really too much pay attention to this, but it's actually pretty smart to start doing that. So again, look for Sushi Swap to go around in this area right here. So anywhere between $10, I would just say anywhere between $11, maybe $10.50 to $13.59. We're definitely gonna see $13.59. I don't care what nobody says. We're gonna see $13.59. I see it. It may not close under $13.59, but we're definitely gonna see $13.59. Maybe even $13.20. But hey, y'all have a wonderful night. Hey, I'm gonna go upstairs, probably watch me some Walking Dead, and get ready for my work day tomorrow. Peace out.